the beat is better every day. Says some time I know it's been before. Close the curtains, what you waiting for? And they'll be keeping.
Hi guys, I'm going out for dinner and this is my outfit. So cute. And pupunta ako ng beach for sunset and some cocktails. See you. Bye-bye. Sobrang nagtan na yung skin ko. Sobrang tahimik dito. Walang tao masyado. So ngayon, I'm going out. Maghahanap ako ng restaurant. Maybe I'll drink a bit of cocktails and then around 10 p.m. I'm going for a massage or relax. Deserve tong lugar. Ganda ng skin ko. I love it. Naalala ko tuloy itong tsunami na movie, yung tumama dito sa Thailand before. Good morning guys! It's my day 2 dito sa Macau, Phuket. And this is my outfit for today. Of course, I have to wear this elephant pants. Hindi yan pwedeng mawala sa outfit natin kasi famous to dito sa Thailand. Yeah. And my cutesy top and my hat kasi magbabike ako and mainit. And then I have my beach bag with me. Super heavy. Super maraming naman yan kasi I'll be out for like the whole day. And wala masyadong kainan sa beach. So I brought water, beer, extra clothes. Of course, my electronics, my camera, power banks, everything. Yan. So, see ya guys! How much again? One day? 150 baht. 150. 2 days, 300. Not 250? No. Cannot. Okay. Anyone can pick up in my hotel because it's far. Tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow night.
Oh. Okay, no?
No, I use today and then tomorrow pick up.
Oh,
Bike
okay, okay.
can pick up in my hotel.
Okay. What hotel?
Macau hotel. Yeah, there.
Oh,
But
okay.
because it's far.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have deposit 500 baht. Yeah, for total 800 baht. You okay?
Okay.
I can take the picture the spot.
Okay. Nag-rent ako ng bicycle. Oh my gosh, bakit naman umulan? So for 2 days, it's 300 baht. And then, kailangan ko mag-deposit ng 500. So may 1,000 baht pa ako. Coming! My problem is, paano ko ngayon itong bag ko? Guys, nag-arrive na ako. Ayusin ko yung dun ko. Para akong kinahas. Ito, nag-park na ako. Ng bike. And then, may mga food. Bago pupunta ng beach, kakain na muna ako. Tsaka ayusin ko muna yung tsura ko. Tignan niyo yung nangyari sa elephant pants ko. Salarin. So tomorrow mag-short na lang ako dahil yan dyan. Coconut is cheaper here. Sa Phuket, 60 baht. Nandito ako sa beach. Actually, ang hirap magantay ng eroplano. Ang tagal. Siguro 2 hours na ako dito pero ilang plane pa lang yung nag-land and nag-take off. Ang mura neto. Passion fruit and mango smoothie for only 60 baht. Tagal ng plane. Doon yung plane. Tapos dito naman yung landing. Doon yung take off. Pero depend pa rin. Nakakaloka. a bike ride. Today is my last day in Thailand and I'm going back home in Singapore tonight at 9 p.m. So this is my outfit. I wear shoes to feel more comfortable and my bag, of course. I don't have backpack for the bike, but it's okay. And then look at my back. That are my back! Oh my gosh, super tan lines. Like, I mean, hindi na siya pantay-pantay. So, yun. Iwan ko muna yung luggage ko sa lobby and see you later. Bye, guys! This is my things. Super na-enjoy ko ang vacation ko dito sa Thailand. Even if I'm alone. Sobrang saya. For checkout, vlogger and biker at the same time. Look at this. Tatawid ako ng road. Magpapark muna ako ng bike. I'll take my things. And let's go. Oh, I think it's close. Kasi nakalagay open. So close. Balik tayo sa dagat. Hingal na. Close siya, sayang naman. Check sana ako ng souvenirs na So, balik na ako sa dagat. Bye. Ang hirap. Wala akong bike mount for the tripod. But I enjoy it. Yun nga lang, walang tao dito. So, it's low season. Okay lang rin kasi tahimik. Ganito mag-travel mag-isa. Wala kang ibang aasahan kundi yung sarili mo. You have to plan your own itinerary and everything. So, go with the flow. Before, I believe like only dead fish can go with the flow. But right now, I don't think so. Just enjoying my life, living my life. Yeah, I just arrived at the beach. Ang ganda. And so nice. I love the pine trees. So, ang daming resort dito na nearby. So, nandito na ako sa my beach kung saan ako nag-lunch and nag-stay kahapon. Kanina, nadulas ako. Look at this. It's so sad. And then another one. Here. And then here. And yeah. That's what you call bike diving. So sad. Ang tanga ko nun. Hindi ko kasi nakita may water tapos may sand. So, nadulas ako na out of balance. Pakain muna ako and see you later. Bye! Sobrang pawis ako. Sarap. Guys, doon ako galing sa road na yon. Tapos dito may abandoned na mga building. Feeling ko ito ay yung part pa pala dalawa. Ayan, and then ito abandoned building na siya. Ayan. Baka ito yung mga naapektuhan ng mga tsunami, hindi na nauputan siya. Kasi mukhang sobrang tagal na eh. Ayan siya. Naliligaw na yata ako. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan ako, pero ang ganda dito. Pero hanggat may trail, it means may patutunguhan. So, continue ako sa pagbabike dito. Hindi ko alam kung nasang part ako, pero ngayon ako nagpunta dito. Hindi ko na alam guys nasaan ako. Mag-isa lang ako dito, pero go, hanggat may path, go lang tayo. Feeling ko naman may patutunguhan to, may pupuntahan. So, yeah, continue. Continue ako sa pagbabike. Wala na palang patutunguhan to. Char lang pala. So, wala na. Ito na yung end niya. Pero in fairness, ang ganda dito. Ang daming coconut. Ganda ng coconut and pine trees. Ganda. Ganda ng combination. Ito na yung end ng path. Ayan, may way papunta dun. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan papunta yan. Ang ganda. Coconut and pine trees. Ito yung pinanggalingan ko. So, I think babalik na ako dahil wala nang patutunguhan. May natagpuan akong abandoned bridge dito sa Phuket. So, ito siya. Walang tao. Solo flight ako. Isa ako dito. Doon ako nanggaling sa kabundukan. Sa jungle. Hindi ko alam kung magko-continue pa ako papunta doon. Kasi ang maganda. I think I'll try. Check natin.